Carl from Studio In Car. When I did the original Blaupunkt Bremen video, which I'll link to at the end, the new SQR46 DAB, the most common question that I've had via email and things like that is, will it live up to the original's reputation in terms of SQ? Now, of course, it's difficult to answer, and it's especially difficult to get it in a video and stuff like that, but I'm going to try play a couple of snippets of a couple of things. It's, you know, it's recorded with a Rode mic. It'll be in high def, so you should be able to hear that it's actually a good sounding deck. We're in a Defender 110 right now, so one of the worst cars you can get for car audio. The unit is supported by a system. You know, if you're trying to reference this thing for SQ and you're just using passive speakers running from the internal amplifier, then you shouldn't really be asking those questions. You know, this has got an Audison Forza 8.9, Melee Legend speakers, things like that, but you can hear it as it is as a source unit. You can see it. So yeah, it should answer a couple of questions, and it's what people asked for. So I'm not usually one to make a video on request, but I think it'll be useful for it to answer a couple of people's questions. So have a listen. Hopefully they don't break some sort of YouTube rule or whichever. Listen out, see what you think. Let me know what you think down below. All right, I'm not trying to break the world here. You know, I appreciate it's a camera in a truck, but you should get the gist.
Rolling on the river, the river.
Hopefully that gives you you know, if you're watching this and that's a question that you're one of the people that asked the question, that'll give you some input as to how the deck can sound. You know, I'm really happy with this truck. You know, like I say, 110s, 90s, stuff like that, they're hard to get sounding good. This one sounds great. So Bremen, Blaupunkt Bremen SQR DAB, new unit. Yeah, as always, everything's down below as to where to get it, to see more info about it, things like that. And yeah, hopefully if you get one, you enjoy it as much as we do. Thanks guys, stay safe, bye.